In this video, I will show you how I draw poses easily and in simple way without wasting time. Let's start the video. Well, before showing the method, these are the drawings I made by using the same method. As you can see, one is quick sketch and another one is full detail. And here are more drawings I made. I'm sure you guys will understand this method. Because something like unique, just a simple way. Let's move to our art supplies, a sketchbook, pen, and pencil, and eraser. You guys won't need that actually. I used to draw a body, well, disclaimer. This method works well when you have references. Without reference, there will some problem. But don't worry, I'll make more videos on this topic. Well, let's learn the basic shape of human body, as you guys know this better. Male's body are lower, like V-taper, and female's bodies are like having curves, like wider hips. Well, I'm using pen because I'll show you how this method is easy that you can draw using the pen or pencil without using the eraser. I'm drawing the running poses, but actually this method is hard for beginners, to be honest. I am not lying. I have tried this method at the starting of my art journey, but still it was not so helpful for me. I hate this technique. The method I used is just draw the outline of the character, like hold your pencil light and start drawing the outline later. I will add details, and if I found some mistakes, I'll make it perfect. For example, the camera angle is downside up, so the shoulder and upper body should be bigger than legs. As I'm drawing, I'm using the reference for this drawing. Make it up. And now let's see. I noticed that the hand I made during the outline process is smaller, but after adding the details, I see my mistake. So I'll just fix it. Make it a little longer later, I'll add color too. But before drawing the pose of male character, you must know the main thing about male body. Like wider shoulder chest must be curvy and few basic abs and V-taper. I'm drawing female body with some basic outlines later. I'll show you how I add details on it. I hope you'll like it.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit.
You all can see how I'm adding details step by step, and later adding the shadows, my drawing will look more realistic and cool. I guess she's looking good. Like after adding the shadows, I'll show you more examples. You guys need to learn how you see your reference. You need to express it on paper for that. You should try my own method, which is easy and simple to use. Just hold your pencil lightly and I'll draw more sketches to show you how I draw female bodies. I'm using the pen. But as you can see, this method's so simple to use that I'm not using any pencil or eraser. I'm just drawing, using the outline to judge my opinion. Where would be face, neck, shoulder, chest, everything. This method helps me a lot. And here I'm drawing the outfit, for example. This method works for drawing cloth using the outline layer, and I'll add details. You guys need to chill. Just practice more, you'll be better day by day. In future, I'll make more detailed video on it.